How to close apps on your iPad. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Genie Guide, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you the way on how you can close applications which you open up on your iPad. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So let's say that you open up iPad, let's say that you open up YouTube, and then you close them in the background, and then you also go ahead and open contacts, you close them as well, you open settings, and then you close them. But you can see that they're actually not fully closed, because if I go ahead and open other apps as well, they're not successfully and fully closed yet. How do we actually close them from background? There are a couple of ways you can do this. The first thing you can do is to simply restart your iPad. Now in order to restart or shut down your iPad, you could go ahead and select settings, and at the bottom under the general tab you'll find a shutdown button. You have to simply slide this to power off all of your data and then power off your iPad in that way. But let's say that you want to actually remove them. What we can do is, in that case, you can see this home button at the bottom of the screen. All you have to do is double tap on this home button. Once you double tap on this home button, you'll be able to see a list of all of the apps which were running in the background earlier. For example, if I go ahead and then let's say I open App Store as well, and if I double click, you'll be able to see the App Store ones over here. If I go ahead and then let's say I can open up other apps, then again you'll be able to see that particular app will be added here. If you want to remove them from background, what we will do is we will actually hold it and then throw them towards the upward direction, just like that. As you can see, you'll be able to successfully throw them out in order to close apps on your iPad. And this is how you can close apps on your iPad. All you need to do is double press on the home button and then close them in that way. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.